It's actually one of my favorite things to do. Yeah.
My name is Esther van Zyl, and I am the founder and director of DraMagic Theater Group. DraMagic Theater Group is a drama program based in Lyons, Colorado, for beings of all ages and stages who want to experience theater arts. So DraMagic Theater Group offers theater classes where you're going to do theater games, improvisation exercises, focus and grounding techniques, you know, how to work with our emotions, both for acting and for everyday life, how to communicate.
I am full of life and I want to share it.
Esther is such an amazing person to work with. She just knows so much and she's so wise about this whole acting thing.
It is about coming into a class where you feel safe and seen, and there is space for you to explore and kind of get into all these different elements of being human.
I like Esther because she gives you a choice and will listen to what you say. And she's very loving. She's like a mother to all of us.
And there's a real community aspect to it. It is very much about connection, connecting deeper with yourself, with the other people in the class, with the stories that we are telling, and with whatever it is that kind of wants to come through you. DraMagic is an ever-evolving program, and so we'll be changing our offerings kind of as we grow and see what is wanted in the community. And so it really is about who shows up in the room and what it is that they are wanting to explore, and we create from that place together. What has your experience been like?
Absolutely amazing and so much fun, and I've made so much closer friendships.
I wholeheartedly invite you to come and experience one of our classes or be part of a production that we're doing. So stay tuned and stay in the loop with what we are doing, and come and join whatever you are feeling called to be a part of.
Listen, everybody! Our audience is here and we're starting to play. Beginning places, please. A very, very young birthday. Twinkle, twinkle.
I'm so happy to be in a play. Thank you, bye. It's like the best thing ever. Actually.
Wonderland was never the same again.